Hello and hi to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner with a new interesting question. And the question today we are having that is, a man left 1.5 of the property for his wife, 1/3 to his son and the remainder to his daughter. And her share, it means that the share of her daughter was, that is worth rupees 45,000. How much money did the man leave? So here we have to find out the total amount, the total property of the man. So the first thing which we have to do, we take that let the property of man be, that is X. So we have just taken the whole property of the man, that is X. So now in the question it says that the man has given 1.5 of the property for his wife. So here we take, so this is the total property, and in this total property he gives her wife, that is 1.5 of the total property. So this X represent the property, and this X, 1.5 X, means that half of the property she gives to her wife. And in the next part it says that 1/3 to his son. So from the total property we take out 1/3 of the property and give it to the son. And how much did she give? How much remain? And the remaining, that is 45,000, and this 45,000 is the share of her daughter. So how much remain? That is, so from the total property, if we gave the share of wife and the son, so the remaining amount that becomes, that is 45,000, and this 45,000 is the share of her daughter. So now further, to solve out this, we take the LCM of 1/2x minus 1/x3. So from here we take out the LCM of 2 and 3, and the LCM for 2 and 3 becomes, that is 6. So here this 6 goes and multiply by x, so this becomes, that is 6x minus, and 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So 3 goes and multiply above, and this becomes, that is 3x minus, and 3, so 6 divided by 3, that is 2, and this remaining 2 multiplies with the above x. This becomes, that is 45,000. And now further solving, here we get, that is 6x minus 5x is equal to 45,000, and this 6 goes above and it multiplies by the above. So now we have got here, that is only x. 6x minus 5x, that is x is equal to, and 45,000, if we multiply it by 6, we get here the total, that is 2,70,000. So this is the total amount. So here we have just taken, let the property of man be, that is x, and now we have found out the value of x, that is 2,70,000, which is the total property of the man. So this is the total property. So here we have got the answer, that is, therefore the man left rupees 2,70,000, and this is our answer. I hope you have completely understood. So thank you very much.